So basically, once you log into your cPanel, if you scroll down, you can see there's a new calculation called TWC. If you go in there, this is all their products configured. And if you scroll further down, this is the live API. So which means like if you submit order, it'll go directly into their account, not into the test account. So we have configured that for you as well. Also, we have loaded all their default prices into the system. So if you see the roller product, this is all the defaults. You can drag and drop and rearrange. This is the visibilities settings. And if you scroll down, now these are all the default fabric categories. For an example, Ansari fabric linked to group 2. Now you can view that grid here. So this is the original price. There's no manipulation taken place. However, you can change that price by going into this change price. Any of these plus or minus or multiply or divide value by dollar or percentage, that'll impact onto that particular grid. And if you also want to make that change for the whole grid under the roller, you can do the same for change all grid. But if you do that, then obviously if you make a mistake, you have to come back and reset one by one. And also you have like uploads and downloads for those grids. So that's how you would manipulate the TWC prices. Now I'll show you in the front end how that works. So once you are here, you have to make sure they need all these information, the customer name, the address, email, phone number. So all that is mandatory. And then if you come down to TWC, this is their product range. Right over here, all these fields are populated from their system. So once you submit an order, you cannot submit that again, I guess, under the same ID. So you just populate all this information. So let's just save it. And you can also notice there's a quantity feature which you can turn it on and off. So this is an old record, I guess. So that's why you have that quantity turned on. But if you go back to the system and if you scroll further down over here, you have that feature, show products, all these things. Like if you untick that, that quantity would taken off as well. And then you could simply add that into the system. It'll also let you know before you add it if there's something missing. In this case, it is control side. So once I have added that, if I click on this sync, it'll send that data straight to them. So that's all it is. So you can do all the quoting and everything from the system. When you want to submit it, you would just simply click on that.